Hi folks, G3 here, and welcome to another instalment of my journey to go green. So what am I doing today? Well, I'm looking at mouthwash. Mouthwash generally comes in plastic bottles, so that's more plastic that is going to either be recycled or ending up in landfill. There are also one or two ingredients in mouthwash which are a little bit of a concern. So I did a little bit of research to find out if there were alternatives to the mouthwash that come in the plastic bottles. And there are. I found these. Georganics Mouthwash Tablets. Now, I got mine from the Plastic Free shop. That's plasticfree.co.uk. But equally, you can also get them directly from Georganics, and that is georganics.com. So let me tell you about normal mouthwash first. In the same way as when we looked at toothpaste and changing to toothpaste tablets, it's the same with mouthwash. Up to 50% of mouthwash can be water. I'll include the link to the toothpaste tablets video down below. So that's an awful lot of additional bulk that needs to be transported. You need larger bottles. You need extra space on lorries to transport. That's extra weight that's being transported. Extra shelf capacity to hold these things. And when we're thinking about how much we're saving on transport, a bottle this size, 250 millilitres, contains 12 20 millilitre portions. This bottle here contains 180. I mean, compare the size of those two. That's a lot less to transport on the roads. 12 doses, 180 doses. There's no comparison. Mouthwash generally will contain alcohol. Now this can be used as a carrier agent for the various different tastes and other things that are within the mouthwash, but equally it can also be used to try and combat bacteria in your mouth. The problem with this is, as well as attacking bad bacteria, it can also attack good bacteria in your mouth. Alcohol is also drying, so that can dry your mouth out, and it leads to things like dry mouth syndrome. And that can also contribute to the smell of bad breath. So, I wanted to look for a mouthwash that didn't contain water, so cutting down on the amount of space, didn't use plastic, and also was alcohol free. And that's why I found Georganics Mouthwash Tablets. So let's take a look at these tablets. The first thing to notice is they're in a glass jar with a metal lid, so it's not plastic. So that's great. That can definitely be recycled. These tablets are made from natural and non-toxic ingredients. They're also certified cruelty-free, and they're vegan as well. So these tablets, they're fluoride-free, they're free of glycerin, and they're also free from SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate. SLS can be made from petroleum oils, coconut oil, or even palm oil, which obviously is a concern. So how do you use these tablets? Well, it's quite straightforward. First, you put 20 millilitres of water into a container. Then, you take out one of the tablets and drop it into the water. It starts to dissolve and fizz away in the water, and when it's fully dissolved, then you gargle with it for up to 30 seconds. When you've finished gargling, spit it out in the sink, but don't rinse your mouth out. And that's all there is to it. It's quite simple, really. So let's take a little look at the ingredients. Sodium bicarbonate. Now that is the polisher and the whitening agent. Tartaric acid helps regulate acidity. Citric acid is a natural preservative and also helps balance the pH. Menthopipenta oil, that's a natural food grade essential oil for flavouring. Sodium benzoate, now that's a food grade preservative. It's also got colourings, menthol and thymol. So menthol helps provide the refreshing flavour. Thymol is an active antiseptic, so that's useful for treating sore throats. So that's a little run through of the main ingredients in here. So what do I think of these tablets? Well, I've been using them for a while now. I don't use alcohol-based mouthwash that comes in plastic bottles. I just use these. They take up a lot less space, they don't contain alcohol, and I like the flavour. A quick swill of these and my mouth feels fresh and I'm ready to go. Now at the time of recording you can get 180 of these tablets in a glass jar for £8.90, or you can get 720 of them in a paper compostable bag for £19.90, which seems great value. And something to bear in mind is that Georganics offer free shipping if you spend over £15. So if you buy the 720 tablets, you'd get free shipping on it. And of course, another thing about these is they're great for travel. It's easy enough to put sufficient tablets in your wash bag for your trip away, and you don't have to take a big bottle of mouthwash with you. You're just taking a few of these. If you've used these, it would be great to hear what you think about them in the comments below. I'll include links to Georganics and also the Plastic Free shop where I got these originally. That's it folks, a quick rundown of mouthwash tablets. So when you next run out of your regular mouthwash in a plastic bottle, alcohol based, then why not switch to mouthwash tablets and give those a go. You'll be taking up a lot less space on your shelf, there'll be less plastic being produced, and you can get some minty fresh breath from tablets instead. If you enjoyed this video, then why not subscribe to the channel and click the little bell icon so that you get notified whenever I load up a new video. That way you'll be able to find out where I am on my journey and share my latest tips. The more people that subscribe, the more that YouTube takes notice, and they'll suggest this video to others to watch as well. That way, more people will get an opportunity to see these videos and find out how they can also take little steps to go green. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. So, bye, see you soon.